We've all been there, right? If you're a content creator, a marketer, anyone trying to make stuff online, you know the struggle. You need good-looking images, you need engaging videos, but man, the costs add up fast and the software can be super complicated. But what if all of that just wasn't a problem anymore? Well, there's a new AI tool that claims it can do exactly that, so let's dig in. I want you to just look at these three things for a second. Free, unlimited videos, no watermark. That sounds like a creator's dream wish list, doesn't it? But this isn't a dream. This is the actual promise of a new AI tool that honestly could completely change the game for how we create content. And this is what we're going to break down.
So what is this thing called? The tool is Bean, and its whole purpose is pretty simple, really. To be one single free place where you can create images just by typing, edit those images with simple words, and, this is the big one, generate entire videos just from a text prompt.
Now, as you can see, this thing's got a pretty wide range of talents. It even dabbles in creating audio and music. But for this explainer, we're going to zero in on what I think is the real game changer for most of us. It's incredibly powerful and totally free visual creation tools.
Okay, so your first thought might be, all right, sounds amazing, but what's the catch? Is it a total pain to get started? And let me just say, the answer is a huge no. Getting up and running is designed to be as easy as possible, and it takes way less time than you'd think. I'm not kidding, that's really all it takes. You just go to the website, you click the Create Account button, and you can sign up with your Google account or whatever email you want. You're in and ready to go in, like, under a minute. No complicated downloads, no waiting lists, nothing.
All right, so you're in. Let's get to the fun part. We're going to start with the first big feature, making a custom image completely from scratch, just using words. This is where the magic really starts to happen.
The process here is just so simple. You start a new project, you tell it you want to make an image, and then you just type out what you want to see. Let's say, for example, we type in a blonde woman in a yellow t-shirt. You pick your model, click send, and in just a few seconds, the AI starts working.
So boom, you've got your image. But what if it's not quite perfect? Well, this is where Bliss does something really cool. The amazing part is you don't need to export it to Photoshop or some other editing tool. You can make changes right here, again, just using text.
And this shows you just how powerful this is. You can literally select a part of the picture, like her t-shirt, and just type in a command like, change the t-shirt to blue. The AI gets it and just redoes that one part of the image. It's such an intuitive, fast way to tweak your ideas.
Okay, creating and editing images like that is already amazing. But this next part, this is the main event. We're talking about generating video from a simple text prompt. And just remember that phrase from the beginning, because it's wild. As of right now, this feature is unlimited. And you know what? The workflow is just as easy as making an image. You start a new project, but this time you pick video. You type in your prompt. Something like a woman in a red dress walking on a busy city street. You choose your AI model, and you hit send.
Now this part does take a little bit of patience. A 10-second video clip takes, on average, about 3 minutes to generate. But let's be real, when you think about what's actually happening, and AI is building a moving scene from scratch for free, that's a pretty incredible turnaround time.
All right, so we've walked through how to do all this cool stuff. Now let's just pull back for a second and sum up the most important points about this tool. What do you really need to remember here?
This table basically says it all. Let's look at the big features. Cost for both video and image, 0. Watermarks? Nope, none of those ugly things cluttering up your work. And the daily limits? Okay, you get 50 images a day, which is super generous. But the video generation? This is the key. It's completely unlimited. So why is this such a big deal? What does it all mean? It means you can make B-roll for your videos, create social media content, or mock-up ideas with an absolute $0 budget. It means your final product looks professional without some company logo slapped on it. And it means you can bring an idea to life and then perfect it faster than ever before. And you know, this all leads to a really big, fascinating final thought. We are watching these incredibly powerful, once super expensive, creative tools become available to literally everyone for free. So the question isn't just about what cool stuff we can make today, it's about what happens to creativity itself tomorrow, when the only limit is your own imagination.